In this video, we are discussing how to create a dynamic web project using servlets. Okay, go to File, New, Dynamic Web Project. Name as registration. Selecting the runtime environment, Tomcat itself. Next. Select this because while using web.xml, when we are creating using servlets, you must have web.xml file. Then finish. So if we have to write any HTML or JSP file, we have to write in the web app beside web-inf. If we have to write any servlets, we have to write here itself. Okay, so I am creating index.html, new HTML file, giving the name as index.html. Okay, has loaded. Okay, we have created just a form with 4 fields: name, mobile number, email ID, and address, registration for an event. So we don't know specific event, that's why we are not giving any extra fields. If it is a celebration event, we may ask regarding the food items for selection. Similarly, if it is for any seminars, we may ask for any resources like, do you need this laptop, do you need these benefits, like this. So say an event, we are not specific about any event, so that's why we are writing basic fields. Okay, after this file, save. We have to create Java resource source main data, create new servlet. Okay, servlet. Don't write any package name, it will be taken to default package. Registration. Next. next. Push. So it will open like this. The doGet and doPost method will be open. So previously there is Java x.servlet like this. From Apache 9 onwards it has changed to Jacket. Okay, you can see here also the resources. Libraries. So these are the servlet API. You can see Jacket servlet notation. These are all APIs. Okay, packages. Now I am writing the code for registration. Paste here, paste this, and you can see there, you can see that here it is asking print writer cannot be resolved to a type. So why? Because we have not imported. So we are importing print writer. Now there are as again. While writing also it will directly ask after typing the connection word, it will ask to import the package statement. We have to know which statement we are using, because it may be a conflict. Why? Because in the java.beans also there is a class called statement. So we are using the statement from the SQL package. That's why import statement java.sql. It is better to load each class separately. Why? Because if you are importing the package completely, it takes much space loading it to the server. Either it is localhost or production server, whatever it may be. Yes, I have taken all the errors. So we could not, if we are not running it in the Eclipse, means we may not notice these errors while compiling. So that is the advantage of writing a code in Eclipse, and there are many advantages. So I will explain later on. So we have created, and where is this web.env? Can you see web.xml? Servlets. I have written register, the URL pattern. So servlet name is registration. Whenever we have submitted the form action is form action equal to register. So the control get transferred to web.xml file, and it will check where the URL pattern registered. If it is there, then it will see servlet name registration. So it will go to servlets. Where is the servlet name registration? Yes, here it is. So then it will execute the servlet registration class. Okay. Save all. Before that, the error is there is no. Just before we have seen red red marks. Why? Because there is no pattern of registration in the any HTML pages. Okay, we have created web.xml file also. We have to do only one thing, that is we have to paste connecting jar in the lib folder. So I already have connecting jar in the H541. So I am copying the connecting jar. I am going to paste in the lib folder. Select lib, right click, paste. So inside it is there. Okay, now so we are running. Turn on server 1. So already the server is started. Select it. So only we are executing registration. Now entering the data. Narendra, email ID, so I have given again email is less than size as 20. So if you have created JavaScript for validation will be okay. If not, please be sure of what you are giving the data. So it is more than the created, then it will give an error. Okay, we have successfully created a project using servlets in Eclipse. Thank you.